Hello everyone. In today's video, I will walk you through how to fix the Kenmore washer that is not draining in 2026. So when your washer leaves water in the drum, it is usually due to simple blockage in the drainage system that you can easily fix for yourself. So first of all, you just have to open your laundry room and ensure that the washer is powered off and unplugged. After that, you just have to pull the machine away from the wall in order to access the back and locate the drain hose. Now you need to check the drain hose for any physical obstructions. You can look for any kinks or sharp bends that might be stopping the water flow. Also, you can use a pair of pliers to release the hose clamp at the back of the machine. So pull the hose off and flush it with the garden hose or high pressure water to clean out any stuck lint or small clothing items. Afterwards, you just have to simply locate the drain pump filter. For front load Kenmore models, you can open the access panel at the bottom front. For the top load models, you can need to tilt the machine back or remove the front panel screws to reach to the pump. So twist the filter cap counterclockwise to open it and remove any kind of coins or buttons or hairpins that is trapped inside. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.